right, let's see what we got today. My package is finally in. All right, let's see. So it's finally in my package from my friend Kenya, Kloset by Kenya. And I have been waiting for this, so let's see what we have today. So it comes boxed with a little, I guess, antique twine. Let's see if I need to cut it or pull it. Oh, all right, good job, Kenya, I think. Okay, so it's easy open. Just pull, make sure you pull the right ones though. All right, here we go. So she has a little stamp on the front, Kloset by Kenya. Comes in a cute brown box. I guess that's to represent like brown girls, black women. Yes. All right. Okay. This is cute. All right. So first thing we see when we open up is like a little mesh packaging with what's in here. Like a little button. Oh, I like buttons. So a little button to put on your denim jacket or whatever. So it says, women empower, women empower, and her voice is power. I believe that. All right. And comes with 2 business cards. Hear her, her voice is power. Kloset by Kenya. So, and actually that's the name of the brand. Hear her, her voice is power. Let's see what else comes in here. All right, so it comes with a cute card, shades care tips. So it tells you how to take care of your product, how to wash it, what it's made of, all that great stuff. So yeah, we need to do better with taking care of our clothes. And a little shades card. So this line that she sent me is the shades line. All right, and we're gonna talk about that a little bit later. And it's my beautiful friend Kenya. It's a little thank you card. So she says, thank you so much for supporting my purpose and all that great stuff. So order you a box so you can read all of this. So, and it's a way to stay connected to her. So, all right. And now for the exciting part. Oh, I got a hoodie, y'all. Ooh. All right. So this hoodie is from her, again, her shades collection, and she really put a lot of thought into this and work. So on the front it says, women empower, and her voice is power. I think I got the color golden or honey. I'm sorry, I don't remember what color, but so this line is from, again, from her shades line. So a little bit about her brand. It's called Hear Her Voice is Power. And the reason behind this brand is acknowledging the voice of a woman, the power of a woman's voice. And the shades collection is basically representing women of different shades, different colors. And I am struggling with this box. All right, let's put this to the side. So to represent women of all shades, all colors, and to pay homage to the different struggles or the different paths and the different journeys that women have. And I'm absolutely loving this. Put my little button. Look at the button, y'all. This is cute. All right. Shout out to Kenya for this beautiful line. So there are other colors. So she has gray. She just released her cream. She has chocolate. So go check her out at Kloset, not Closets, Kloset by Kenya. You can check her out on Instagram. She has Facebook. She has Twitter. Again, let's see what else she has. Yeah, and YouTube. So go check her out and make sure you support her, especially if you are a woman. Regardless of how you're feeling, this brand really emphasizes that your voice and your story is power. So I really appreciate this package. I can't wait to take pictures in it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm about to go and try this on, and we are going to see how it looks, how it comes out. So I don't know if I'm going to dress it up or dress it down, but we're about to see.
pencil. I scribble the stanza as my hands are trembling. Grade 7 made heaven out of words. I began to build a world that only I inhabit. I gotta have it.
Okay, and we are back. So I am in love with this hoodie. It is so soft. Like, I don't know what brand of hoodie this is, but it's so soft. And it is perfect for the weather that we're encountering right now. It fits like true to size, so the fit is really well. So I just love how it feels. I mean, I could dress it up, dress it down. This is just like pretty much perfect. Like, I could wear this casually, or like I say, I could wear it dressy. So I'm like really excited about this hoodie, and I am excited to purchase more colors. So yeah, this is my review on this. She actually has, and it's also stamped shades in the back of the hoodie, so that was like really cool. But I just want to say that I am like very honored and proud to be a brand ambassador for Kloset by Kenya, the Hear Her Voices Power line. So you guys go and check her out. Please, please, please support Black businesses. This is an amazing hoodie, so you don't want to miss out on these.